Hello, everyone. Today I have an amazing story for you. It's not just for your listening practice, but also to inspire you. The story is called Nothing is Free, and it will show you that hard work and determination can change lives. There was a young man named Adam, 20 years old, living in a small, quiet town surrounded by mountains. Adam had big dreams. He wanted to own a chain of restaurants and become a successful entrepreneur. But life was not easy for him. Adam's family was struggling financially. His father Joseph was a mechanic, and his mother Helen cleaned houses to make ends meet. Adam's younger sister Lily was just 10 and looked up to him as her hero. One cold evening, Adam sat outside his small house, staring at the stars.
I want to give my family a better life. But how do I start when we barely have enough to survive?
The next day, Adam shared his dreams with his father.
Adam, dreams are not free. If you want something, you have to fight for it. Start with what you have, even if it is small.
Adam thought deeply about his father's words. Then, an idea struck him. He noticed that in his town, people loved fresh bread, but had to travel to a bakery far away. He decided to start selling fresh bread locally. But there was a problem. Adam had no money to buy the bread. He decided to take a chance and approach the bakery's owner, Mr. Harris. Adam walked miles to meet him.
Mr. Harris, I want to sell your bread in my town, but I do not have money to buy it up front. Can you trust me for 1 week? I will sell the bread, return your money, and keep a small profit.
And why should I trust you, young man?
Because I am determined, and I will work hard to prove myself.
After a long pause, Mr. Harris answered,
All right. I will give you bread for 1 week. If you fail to pay me back, do not bother coming here again.
Adam was thrilled. Early the next morning, he carried the bread back to his town and set up a small stand near the park.
Fresh bread, warm and delicious.
At first, people were hesitant. They did not know if the bread was good. But Adam offered free samples, and soon he had his first customer. By the end of the day, he had sold all the bread and made a small profit. That evening, he returned to Mr. Harris and paid him back.
You kept your word. Come back tomorrow.
From then on, Adam worked tirelessly. He woke up at 4 in the morning, walked to the bakery, carried bread to his town, and sold it with passion. After 2 months, he had saved enough money to buy a small cart, making it easier to transport more bread. One day, a customer gave him an idea.
Adam, why don't you bake your own bread? You are good at selling, but if you bake, you will make more profit.
The idea excited Adam, but it also scared him.
This is the moment when I realized that nothing is free. Not success, not knowledge, not growth. If I want to succeed, I must take risks and learn.
Adam could not stop thinking about baking his own bread. If he could bake, he would not have to rely on Mr. Harris, and his profit would grow. But there was one big problem. He did not know how to bake. The next morning, Adam asked Mr. Harris for help.
Mr. Harris, can you teach me how to bake?
Why should I teach you? If you bake, you will not buy from me anymore. That is bad for my business.
You are right, but I will not forget the man who gave me my first chance. If I succeed, I will make sure to help your bakery too.
Mr. Harris thought for a moment.
Fine, but baking is not easy. It takes time, patience, and hard work. If you are ready for that, I will teach you.
The lessons began early the next morning. Adam arrived at the bakery at 3 in the morning, before the sun was up. Mr. Harris showed him how to mix flour, knead the dough, and bake it perfectly. At first, Adam struggled. His hands hurt from kneading, and his bread came out too hard or too soft. One day, after ruining another batch of bread, Adam sat down, feeling defeated.
Maybe I am not good enough for this. Maybe I should give up.
But then he remembered his father's words. dreams are not free. He realized that every mistake was teaching him something new. Giving up was not an option. The next day, Adam went back to the bakery with even more determination. He practiced every single step carefully. Slowly, his bread started improving. After 2 weeks, Mr. Harris handed him a loaf.
This is perfect, Adam. You are ready.
Adam was overjoyed. He rented a small oven and began baking bread at home. His family was amazed by his hard work. Lily, his little sister, helped him pack the bread, and his mother made tea for him while he worked late into the night. Soon, Adam was not just selling bread, he started making cookies and pastries too.
Adam's bread tastes better than anything we have had before.
But success was not easy. One day, a new bakery opened in town, run by a young man named Nathan. Nathan had a big, fancy shop with colorful signs and decorations. People were curious and started buying from him instead. Adam noticed his sales dropping. He felt scared.
What if I lose everything I worked so hard for?
But instead of panicking, Adam decided to improve. He listened to his customers.
What do you like about Nathan's bakery? What can I do better?
Nathan's shop looks clean and pretty. His cakes have beautiful designs.
Adam realized he needed to grow, not just as a baker, but as a businessman. Using his savings, he painted his cart, added bright decorations, and started offering free samples of his new pastries. He even learned how to decorate cakes by watching videos in the library. Slowly, customers returned to him. One evening, an elderly woman came to Adam.
I have seen many young men give up when times get hard, but you did not. That is why we trust you.
Her words filled Adam with pride. Months passed, and Adam's business grew. He saved enough money to rent a small shop. It was not as big as Nathan's, but it was warm and welcoming. He named it Adam's Fresh Bakes. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise, baked fresh bread, and opened his shop with a smile. His parents and sister helped him. Lily, now 11, loved talking to customers, and Helen managed the accounts. But Adam knew this was not the end of his journey. He wanted to reach more people, make his family proud, and prove to himself that anything is possible with hard work. Adam's Fresh Bakes was becoming the heart of the town. People loved his fresh bread, cakes, and pastries. Business was growing, and his family was proud of him. But life was not done testing Adam. One stormy night, as Adam was closing his shop, he noticed smoke coming from the bakery. He rushed inside and saw that a small fire had started near the oven. He quickly grabbed water and managed to stop the flames, but much of his equipment was damaged. The next morning, when the townspeople heard about the fire, they came to check on him.
Oh no, what will Adam do now?
Maybe this is the end for him.
Adam felt heartbroken, but not defeated.
This is just a challenge. I have faced struggles before, and I will face this too. I will not give up.
He took a deep breath and began making a plan. He calculated how much money he had saved and realized it was not enough to replace all the equipment. For a moment, fear crept in. But Adam remembered his journey, how he started with nothing but a dream and hard work. Instead of sitting and worrying, Adam asked for help. He approached Mr. Harris, who had retired.
Sir, I need advice. What would you do if you were me?
Adam, you already know the answer. You have taught yourself that nothing is free. Work harder, believe in yourself, and people will believe in you too.
Inspired, Adam decided to rebuild. He did not wait for someone to rescue him. He started baking at home again with the little equipment he had left.
I will not let you down. I will keep serving you, even if it is just a small amount for now.
The townspeople admired his courage. Many of them started helping him. Some donated ingredients, others gave small amounts of money. A few offered their time to help him clean and repair the bakery. Adam realized something important. When you work hard and never give up, people notice. They want to help someone who helps themselves. After months of hard work, Adam reopened his bakery. It was better than ever. He painted the walls, added new decorations, and even introduced new items like cupcakes and muffins. His customers were overjoyed. On the day of the grand reopening, the town's mayor came.
Adam, you are a true inspiration. You have shown us all that with determination, anything is possible.
Adam stood in front of the crowd.
I want to thank each one of you. You have taught me that nothing in life is free. Not success, not respect, not love. Everything must be earned with hard work, patience, and persistence. Never let failure stop you. Every challenge is just a step to something greater.
From that day, Adam's bakery did not just sell bread. It became a symbol of hope. People from other towns started visiting to meet the young man who never gave up. Adam's story teaches us that dreams are not free. They require hard work and sacrifice. Failure is not the end. It is a chance to learn and grow stronger. Help yourself first. When people see your effort, they will support you. Never give up. The darkest moments are often just before success. Adam did not just build a bakery. He built a life full of purpose, respect, and pride. And so can you. Whatever your dream is, do not stop chasing it. Remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.